All right, we're working on a Lennox gas furnace this morning. You can see we've got it tore all apart. We got the heat exchanger removed. Customer complained of it making a banging sound, so we actually had to pull the heat exchanger out because this little plate had come loose from the end of the heat exchanger, which keeps it all anchored. Another Lennox. We had to pull all the electrical loose, boards, blower motor out. What a mess. So I wished I'd have recorded what it was doing, but I didn't expect this to get it this involved. But let me start putting this thing back together and we'll pick back up.